So I am a student drawn to the technical depth of quantum information science and technology. So quantum algorithms, hardware in quantum sensing, quantum networks, or quantum computing, the fundamental physics behind it, the engineering challenges that we must innovate to overcome. This is what draws me to the field. And I want to understand these systems at the level where I can build and improve them. But at the same time, I'm aware that quantum technology doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's likely to shape critical areas like security, privacy, climate, geopolitics, and more. And many applications that we're discussing in quantum tech have clear dual-use risks. Therefore, I believe that alongside my technical work, I also want the space to discuss questions like how quantum tech will affect society in practice. What responsibilities do we have as future scientists and engineers to make sure that whatever comes out of quantum technology is for societal good? And where can quantum genuinely contribute to broader goals like sustainability, equitable access, and more? But often, this desire to look more broadly can be seen as diluting the science. However, it's really about making sure one understands the bigger picture while pushing the technical frontier. So as a student, navigating this dilemma of balancing the demands of mastering a specialized, often narrow technical skill required by my current program, which is a quantum science and tech program, balancing that with my desire to explore the broader, multifaceted aspects of quantum technology, this tension is difficult to navigate. Because, well, one, spending time on these other areas like policy, understanding geopolitics, understanding businesses, supply chains, and value chains, they could detract from excelling in my formal coursework or research requirements. And also from an outsider's perspective, staying competitive in the technical field often requires going deep into a specialization. And dabbling in multiple areas might mean or might come off as prioritizing being a generalist, which, at least earlier in one's career, is deemed risky. So as a student, I don't know how in the future I will be able to explain to future employers, advisors, why I pursued such varied interests across quantum technology, not just on the technical front, but also semi and non-technical fronts, like policy and business and whatnot. And just generally the way these programs are designed, including my own, which is a specialized master's program in quantum science and tech, it is quite cognitively heavy. The cognitive load is quite heavy. And the demands of the program are quite constraining, and it's not very easy to pursue these other broader aspects that one wants. But I still think this is very important because quantum technology is inherently interdisciplinary and it is not value neutral. It has potentially very deep implications for society. And so I think generally I'm sort of rambling, so I will stop. The ability or the capacity or space for a student to explore multiple dimensions of quantum technology should not be looked at as a distraction, but should be prioritized and allowed and encouraged. I hope this helps.